There we go. Denver Mattress.
All right, so the hard work is now done.
Yeah. So what you saw, we were replacing our mattress for the second time. When we first bought the RV, the mattress that came with it was horrible. So we went out and bought one in a bag like that from Costco. And we slept on it for about a year. It was okay, but it...
Shoulders are sore, hips are sore.
Yeah, just
It
wasn't good. So now we have one from Lippert. It's their Denver Mattress series, the Euro Plush Top. So we're really looking forward to getting some good night's sleep. We're going to go camping this weekend.
All right, we'll give it a try. We'll let you know.
All right, hey, so we're back in the RV. As you saw in that previous video, we did a really time-lapse showing you how we brought the mattress in and took the old one out. Realistically, taking that old mattress out was the hardest part. I had to enlist the help of my youngest son to do that. But it's really a nice thing because it comes in that big box to your front door. You saw the FedEx guy deliver it. And you just unpackage it out of that box, and then Linda and I just carried it into the trailer. It's not too bulky, heavy. You could probably do it by yourself, but why? So then we carried it up and back into our bedroom, and then Melinda started to unwrap it.
Untwined it.
Yep.
And then we made sure that we unfolded it. Then we made sure that it was positioned correctly with the top of the mattress at the top, bottom mattress at the bottom, and then we were able to cut it open.
Yeah.
And then right away we noticed an instant difference in that it didn't have the manufacturer smell that the Costco mattress came with.
Yeah.
We had to air out that mattress for a couple of days, where this one you instantly did not know it was new except for it was. The smell was not there.
Yeah, they talk about their natural fibers, and you can easily tell that it's a great mattress for that. You're not going to smell anything. When it was unpacked, I know we were going through that video a little quickly, but realistically, I think it's realistically maybe 1.5 inches thick out of the box when it's in that vacuum seal.
Very light.
Yeah. And then the immediate second Linda hit it with the scissors and the air hit it, it started growing, and it's 9 inches thick now. That is amazing when we were sleeping on that to get that comfort from something that comes in the mail. You never would have expected to be able to order a mattress in the mail and have that kind of comfort, because we've always gone to mattress stores and you lay on them. Amazing. I'm really impressed with Denver Mattress being able to create a mattress like that comes in the mail.
The one from Costco, we also noticed that the landscape of the mattress was very flat, whereas the landscape of this mattress has the contours on it, which allow you, when you're laying down on it, it feels much more comfortable. It actually feels like a mattress. It feels like an in-house residential type of mattress. The other part that we also noticed, that it had corners that you could actually choose from. You can either choose square corners or rounded corners, which is a nice feature, especially if you want to be able to adapt it to your RV space.
Yeah, ours works better in a square, but I've seen other RVs that have that ability to walk past the mattress at more of a rounded, and that's kind of nice if you have that in yours. So how did it sleep? So the first night, I think I slept like 9 hours straight. I don't think I moved at all. In our old mattress, I would flip and flop. I'd wake up, maybe my shoulder was asleep, my arm was asleep. None of that happened the first night in this mattress, and it blew us away on how comfortable we could really be on an RV mattress. We sleep well at home mattress, but this is an RV mattress. I expected a little bit less quality, but it didn't happen. This thing blew us away. We've now slept 2 nights in it.
I'm very pleased with it.
Yeah.
Same thing. Our shoulders are not very sore. Woke up very refreshed and relaxed. It was very nice. We actually slept longer than we usually do. So not only maybe we were tired, but the comfort was there because I was not ready to quite wake up.
Yeah. And I didn't get hot or too cold. You know, sometimes a mattress, if you get into it, maybe it starts to hold your heat, like memory foam mattresses. I didn't experience anything like that. Slept real well.
So to end, we wanted to list off the positives that we have with this mattress. Number one, it has the contours on top. Really feels like a residential type of mattress. You get options with the corners, and you can choose from square corners or from round corners. It is comfortable. It is not a type of camping type of mattress. It is comfortable.
Like a living.
Like a residential type of mattress as well. And to end, it also comes in a variety of sizes. We have a queen, but it also comes in king.
Yep.
And again, easy delivery,
Oh.
easy unpackaging, and first night sleeping, and it is comfortable.
Yeah, great. So to wrap this up, hope you've enjoyed the video and the information we've provided you on the mattress. If you get one, you're going to love it. There's information down below in the links if you want to look at the more details on the mattress itself before purchasing. If you've enjoyed this video, please take a moment and maybe hit the subscribe button or the like button. That would be very helpful to us. Again, thanks for watching. We're RV with the Tanners. Have a great day. So if you haven't done so yet, please remember to hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell so that it reminds you when we post new videos.